Chloe? You ready for your breakfast? Or did you get tied up again? Did you get tied up again? It's at the east gate of Algonquin Park. Chloe's trying to find where the little red squirrel went. The little red squirrel went way up that tree. This is our first full day in our trip here to Algonquin Park. Came in last night, or last evening, about 4:30 we showed up and got the tent up just in time before it got dark. It's around 0 degrees, maybe -3 with wind chill. And it's pretty quiet here at the park. Hey, this is not a trail, honey. Even though it looks like people have walked down here. No, 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 no. Stop pulling. Come on. So many smells everywhere. Slow, slow, slow. Oh my gosh, girl. She hasn't had her walk this morning. Yo. And pull. Now get your. Oh, good job. Pull. What are you doing? Peek. She really wants to go that way, but that is not a trail. Come on. What's Mama doing? Go see. That stick. Oh! You're trying to kill me? Slow, slow. You're just doing a whole video of her running back and forth. Okay, time to go. Let's go find an actual trail, honey. Oh, 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 oh. And we're running. Hop. Oh, he's really loving everything right now. Do you love to learn? Huh? Everything smells better in the snow, eh? She's not even going to need all of her exercise because she's going to be so mentally exhausted.
Yeah, I already have a broken foot. You want to go down? Let me see your foot. Uh-oh, wait, where's me? Okay. What happened to you? You're still behind your foot? Did you leave? Oh my God.
I'm just too excited.
There. Now you can walk on in. These are just little round circular ice things.
Yeah.
Wait. Very wait.
Something's obviously been there, eh? Oh.
Bye. See you later.
I know, why am I so slow? Oh my goodness.
I just wanted to make sure you didn't fall down. It was slippery. And sorry, I made Chloe come back to get you.
You're so nice.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a boardwalk. Who knew? Fresh snow on our last day at Algonquin Park, and Chloe has to do a snow puppy for everybody. So you got some snow on our tent and on the vehicle. Woo. Not too much. Now your sweater's all wet. Yeah, you did.